Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is September 26, 2018. This is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis. We're here to give you all the news according to the charts. And before I do, I definitely want to show you all some of the exciting exclusive content that we are producing on our HueFin News Patreon page. You guys can tell here that on the 14th of September, we asked the question to our members: is Bitcoin Gold ready for higher prices? Let us know by commenting yes or no. And definitely I inputted this image because I saw the ability for Bitcoin Gold to move to the upside. And as you can tell by my chart, it is not confusing at all. It's one of the most powerful things that we possess as an organization at HueFin News. It's the ability to forecast and predict where prices are likely to go without the confusion. So definitely, I just want to give you all this ability to come and sign up with us on our HueFin News Patreon page. The link is going to be in the description of this video if you're still interested. But as of the thumbnail, you guys can probably see that Bitcoin Cash, XRP, and Bitcoin Gold both increased substantially in price today. And we're literally going to go ahead and talk about that on our video to see if they will continue to move to the upside. Okay. So the first one up is going to be Bitcoin Cash. So we're taking a look at Bitcoin Cash, and definitely you can see here that the market has definitely increased in volume for today on the daily price chart. The stockpile is being revealed. 480 is going to be the new area of support. Just want to tell you all that right now. What we have here on the 3-hour chart definitely symbolizes the ability for Bitcoin Cash to continue to move to the downside. Already you can tell that $510 cannot be broken in order for this currency to move to the upside, or at least maintain consolidation. What we do have in the market right now definitely shows us that Bitcoin Cash is going to continue to move to the downside, so expect movement lower in Bitcoin Cash. The market has already came and touched $510 3 times, including this 1-hour bar that is currently forming. So I'm not expecting $510 to hold support for Bitcoin Cash. Matter of fact, at the conclusion of this particular 1-hour bar, definitely shows us that the movement to the downside is still going to happen. So Bitcoin Cash is going to continue to move lower. That is going to be my analysis. Today was a fantastic day, so hopefully you all were able to be participating in the move to the upside, because as of right now, the market definitely shows us the ability for this currency to continue to move lower in price. Okay. So now the next one on the list is going to be XRP. Okay. So we're looking at XRP paired against the USD. The market definitely shows us the ability for this currency to continue to move lower. 50 cents is still support. So as long as XRP is able to maintain price above 50 cents, then the continuation to the upside is still in store. But long term, still seeing indication that XRP is going to continue movement to the downside. The market is holding 50 cents as of this particular recording, but long term, I'm not necessarily expecting XRP to move higher in price. We are actually making lower highs in the market on the 3-hour chart, so I'm not expecting that 50 cent area to hold. I expect XRP to continue to move to the downside. Take a quick look at the 1-hour chart for XRP, and again you can tell literally 50 cent is still being able to hold XRP from moving substantially lower in price. The amount of volume that's coming in on that 1-hour bar definitely symbolizes XRP being inundated with a lot of sell orders. So you want to keep your eyes out for that. Only caveat, the only lifesaver that XRP has at this particular moment is 50 cents. So once it breaks 50 cents, then definitely you will know that XRP is going to continue its movement to the downside. Okay. But my analysis in the long term is definitely continuation lower, even though XRP is forecasted to consolidate in the short term. Now, the last one for today is going to be Bitcoin Gold. This is the currency that we told all of our members that we were seeing indications of the market moving higher, and The screenshot for that particular currency was on this particular day, and you can tell here that Bitcoin Gold continued to tread slightly to the upside, and then today you finally got literally a breakout, a minor one, to $25. I was definitely expecting Bitcoin Gold to move to the upside, so hopefully our members were able to capitalize on that move. That's one of the best things that you need to understand about the cryptocurrency space or any financial market that you trade, is that you got to be in the market or in the move before it actually occurs, because if you don't, then literally you will miss out on moves just like this. Taking a quick look at the daily price chart, again, $25 is resistance, so that's why we're seeing a lot of stockpile coming in the market right now for Bitcoin Gold. It's still coming into this particular space. We need to figure out now where support is going to be for Bitcoin Gold in order for us to maintain the ability for Bitcoin Gold to continue to move to the upside. So the first support area is going to be $23.50 and then ultimately $23. Okay, so as we continue to show this weakness coming to the market, watch out for $23.50 and $23. Those are the two prices that has to hold for support in order for Bitcoin Gold to continue its movement to the upside. Analysis for today is for this currency to continue to move lower, even though it might hold support above $23.50, even $23. Okay, so again, that's all I have for today. If you guys are still interested in learning more about language analysis or getting ahead of the move before anyone else, then come on over to our HueFin News Patreon page. We definitely are able to give you price predictions as to where we expect the market to go. And as you can tell by my chart, it is not confusing, and the accuracy is very pinpoint compared to a lot of other individuals in this space. So the link is going to be in the description of this video. We do look forward to you all coming on over and joining this fantastic organization, the one who is able to predict prices, especially in the cryptocurrency space. That is all I have for today. Make sure you all maintain your profitability. I will see you all later.